Good morning, Warriors! Today is Monday, April 6, 2020. Please rise for the flag pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you. You may be seated. I'm Miya Yanagisawa, class of 2020 Warrior.
I'm Landon Yanagisawa, class of 2023 Warrior. Today, we bring you Warrior announcements! This week and this week only,
maybe we will be treated to a new segment called Let's Groove with Mr. Silva.
get up and dance, Warriors! Today's shout out goes to our amazing registrar and office staff who have been busy answering the phones, fielding calls from concerned students and families, and helping our teachers prepare packets for our students. In addition, our registrar has been busy making sure all quarter 3 grades were inputted and report cards are printed. Thank you, Mrs. Martin, Miss Melissa, Miss Lay, Miss Tasha, and Miss Miley. We love and appreciate all of you.
Meet our new friend AJ. His mom said he loves coming to Waiakea High School to get his grab-and-go breakfast and lunch every day. In fact, she says it's the highlight of his day. He even sets his alarm to make sure they leave their house on time. AJ drew this beautiful picture for us and taped it to his car window as he and his family drove up to get their meal. Thanks for making our day, AJ.
Waiakea High's free grab-and-go breakfasts and lunches continue daily. Breakfast pickup hours are 7:30 a.m. to 8 a.m. Lunch hours are 11:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. Meals are for children 18 years of age and younger. All children are welcomed, not just those who attend public schools. Parents and caregivers who come to pick up a meal must be accompanied by their children. Today, Hilo Union Elementary School will begin serving grab-and-go meals as well. Families can go to whichever location is most convenient for them. Today's grab-and-go lunch will be chicken patty with rice.
Warriors, beginning tomorrow, Tuesday, April 7th, and every day thereafter, please check your Infinite Campus and Google Classrooms for information from your teachers. We do have a packet pickup option available for students with limited or no internet access.
For those students who requested a packet pickup will begin tomorrow, Tuesday, April 7th. There will be 2 windows of time for pickup, 8:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. and 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. at Waiakea High School in the upper student parking lot. Please remain in your cars. This will be a drive-through packet pickup. Very important, we kindly ask that you wait until the office has contacted you to inform you that your packet is ready before coming to campus. If you would like to request a paper packet due to limited or no online access, please contact our school office at 974-4888 extension 221 or visit our school's website at waiakeahigh.k12.hi.us. Click on the Infinite Campus Help Desk icon located below the bright red bar. Please leave your child's name and your phone number or your email.
Seniors, listen up. This is for you. We've been mentioning that the deadline for the Project Grad forms has been extended to April 20th. We kindly ask that you mail the forms and your payment to Mrs. Carrie Sato, Waiakea High School, 155 West Kawili Street, Hilo, Hawaii 96720. We also know that many of you are wondering if there will be a Project Grad this year. Unfortunately, we do not have an answer for you at this time. We'll keep you posted, we promise. Thank you!
Over the last few days, we've shared 2 scholarship opportunities that became available recently, the Long's Drug Store Scholarship and the Waiakea High School PTSA Scholarship. Please see our previous morning messages and picture posts for more information.
Today we bring you a new scholarship opportunity, the Waiakea Lions Scholarship. The Waiakea Lions organization promotes the pursuit of higher education by awarding 6 $500 scholarships to seniors graduating from Waiakea High School. Interested students must have earned a cumulative GPA of 2.5 or higher and must also complete an essay. Applications and more information available from Miss Penny Yanagisawa by emailing penny.yanagisawa@k12.hi.us. Completed applications must be turned in by email to waiakealionsclub@gmail.com by April 28, 2020. Please include your name in the file name and submit your application as a PDF document.
And now for Warriors Reminisce.
Although the fourth quarter is not what we had hoped it would be, there have been many wonderful memories that we've shared as a school this year.
We have a lot to be grateful for, Warriors. Today, we take you back to the Student Government Association's Leadership Workshop.
Hey guys, it's time for another segment of Warriors Reminisce. Today, we'll be taking a look back at a very special event in which our Warriors learn to be leaders together at our very own Leadership Workshop.
That's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh. You can count on me, 'cause I can count on you.
We sure miss you, Warriors.
Until tomorrow, be kind, be amazing, be the change. Have a safe day.